Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the At Start F407 development kit by Artery Technology. I tried to buy it from Artery, but it was much cheaper to get it from China through the electronics store LCSC Electronics, which I am showing here. Here we can see the package that arrived in my mail. I removed some papers before recording to hide my personal information. Using a utility knife, I proceed to cut the adhesive tapes to open the box. As I cut the adhesive tape, I realized that the box seemed too big for the size of the development kit. Upon opening the box, the first thing I encounter is a bubble wrap to cushion impacts during transport. Removing it, I see another bag similar to the previous one, but thinner, and inside it is an anti-static bag, revealing the development kit. And yes, it's larger than I expected. The board is contained within a clear plastic box, giving it a nice presentation. Inside, there's also a piece of paper, and on the back, there seem to be the features of the kit, obviously in Chinese. I proceed to open this last box and remove the inner paper. I thought it was a manual with more information, but it turned out to be just what was initially visible. I extract the development kit, and I can appreciate how it looks. And now, with this tool, I am ready to familiarize myself with Artery's at 32 microcontrollers and continue exploring and doing examples in upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching.